Okay, let's discuss about advanced features of Microsoft Word. In this lesson, we'll be seeing all the features of MS Word advanced features, almost all of them, whatever is there for your course syllabus. We'll see all the features, how these works are carried out, how these features are utilized in our Word document. Okay, so now let's see which is the first feature to be discussed. So first feature, as you can see, bullets and numbering. Why bullets and numbering is required? So, and what it does, what does bullets and numbering mean? So whenever we are making a list of items going for shopping or making our questions or writing anything with the serial number, making item list or writing anything with a serial number. Now those things altogether, those lists altogether is called as numbered list. It is numbered list. Now same numbered, why we create numbered list? Because numbered list will have serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now numbers can be in any form, either serial number or can be ABCD, can be Roman numerals, can be small letter ABCD. No, there are different formats of numbering is there that we can use. But numbers are important and counting is there. But in case of bullets, the list will be there, but it will not be prioritized by giving the numbers. So numbers will not be used. Instead of that, special symbols will appear in front of every item in the list. Okay. So that is a bulleted list. So bulleted list will have a bulleted mark or a special symbol in front of every, just before every item list. And in numbering, number list, the number will be there in the first place in the beginning of the item. So bullets and numbering. Now let's see how it is done. Now let's go to the screen directly and see where to get this bullets and numbering. So we'll start with MS Word. Now here, this is our document and we'll start the bullets and numbering. Okay, let me set this. Okay, so first, either you have got two options to first make a list and then apply bullets or numbering, or you apply start bullets numbering and create the list. Suppose I want to create a bulleted list. Okay, I want to prioritize something important points. So I'll just write here. So click on this bullet sign. So as you go on the home tab over here on the paragraph section of the icons, you can see that bullet icon is there. Just click there and you can get the default bullet, the bullet which is selected by itself. Now if you want to change the bullet, you can do it from the arrow which is just next to, attached to the bullet icon. So click there and you can see these all are different bullet patterns. You want to change, you can go to change list level, define new bullet, you can click at bullet, go to the pictures and from there you can apply, or you can go back to the font. See, these pictures are there, these bullets are coming from the clip art gallery. You want them anyone from here, I choose here from here and click OK. So this bullet is added now and I can click OK to apply this bullet. So same thing is coming here as I have chosen. Now the question of making the list, suppose I put here the bullets and numbering helps us to make list. Okay, it shows important items or things to be taken care. So as I'm going on typing, you can see the bullets is appearing by itself for every line. Okay, so this is how you get bullets is applied. Now if I go on typing, now suppose I don't want to continue with this. So just I want to stop this bullets. I press enter key one more time. It is rule is applied for numbering also. If you are going for numbering, the same way the numbers will appear, the type of number you have chosen will appear. Now we'll see how it is done. Suppose you are making a list of items that we are going for shopping and make item list. So just whatever you want to buy, like suppose you're buying for stationery for your project work, so just write whatever things are required. Okay, color pens, then sellotape sheet, whatever cover sheet we need for covering, maybe brown paper or black or chart paper. Okay, then what else we need? We need project copy, we need gel pen, black. Now just we make a list this way, and as you know how to format, reduce the line spacing, select them, right click, go to paragraph, and from there make line spacing 0, and then OK. Now your list is ready, but this list is none of the category. It is not bulleted also, it is not numbered also. Now to make it bulleted list, simple. This time we are done in the reverse way. So first we created list, now we are going to apply whatever we want. Suppose I want to count it with the serial number. So I can select this whole list and I can go on click on the number. So number is just on the right hand side of bullet icon. Now further if I move little more, you can see arrow here. If I click there, I can see different formats of numbers. You can see numbers 1, 2, 3 with bracket, no Roman numbers, ABCD, ABCD small letter, ABCD without bracket, Roman numerals, no small letter. Now as I am going on pointing at this numbering format, you can see those type of numbering styles are getting applied to the list. Okay, so whichever I want, suppose I want this, okay, just click there, that's all. So this numbering is applied. Okay, so my numbered list is ready. Now if I don't want these numbers, I just okay, I don't want these numbers, I don't want to count how many items I need to bring. So what I can do is just select it back again and go to the bullets sign, and from here I can choose whichever bullets I want. That's all, simple as that. Now in order to cancel bullets or numbering whatever I have applied, I can click the same objects and I can go back to same icon and click it. So one time you select and click, it will apply. Second time you select and click, it will deactivate the feature which is applied to your list. So this bullets and numbering is very handy for making the list of items that you are going to buy in the shopping, or you are going to show in a PowerPoint the points that you want to indicate to the audience is important, no important points in a serial order. Okay, serial order means not with the number but serial with a counting. Okay, just serial with a what do you call, serial with the bullet sign. Okay, the points to be considered and remembered. That's all. Now we go to the next feature is inserting pictures from file. Now next feature is very important. Now this is very interesting part also. We insert pictures in our document to make it more interesting, more attractive and more meaningful. Okay. Now pictures can be inserted from different places. Number one, we can insert picture from, go to insert tab and click there. You can have got the option to insert picture clip art. Now, so if I go to picture, the dialog box will open up. This dialog window is asking insert picture. From where I want to insert picture. This is meant for inserting photographs and the pictures which is taken with the camera, no, which is there in your computer. So if I suppose I want to go to pictures folder and from there I want to pick up any of the pictures which is there, no. Okay, I just want to, okay, pictures, sample pictures from there. Let's take. Suppose I want a picture of a penguin to insert. Suppose this is the photo which is there in my document. So just double click on it directly and you get inserted. So once a picture is inserted, now it is our duty. The picture might be very big. It is very important for us to make it according to the size that we need. So just from corner, as you take the mouse pointer, it changes to the arrow, diagonally indicating, that means click and drag, click the left button and drag it downward, now slowly to make it small. small enough that is required for your document. Now, right now the picture has been inserted, but it is not set in the order. If I want to move it this side or that side, it will not go. Okay, so just click on the picture, click outside. Now this is selected, and once you select it, click on it one time. You can see the small circles in the corner and the square in the middle appear. So just click on the picture and go to text wrapping. No, and then I can click here in front of text. Now this picture I want in front of. You can see the picture of this doggy. The small doggy is there or something is there, which is showing how this picture will appear. What will be the order of this picture? So just click on in front of text, and then you can see the picture becomes free to move with your mouse pointer. You can click and drag wherever you want. You can take it. Now it has come in the front. That means anything that is there, text is there, anything that is there, it is behind it. It can cover up anything. Okay, it can cover up anything. So if you move it over the text, it will cover up. Okay, so this is how the picture can be inserted from file and can be uh, aligned according to the requirement. You can text wrapping. This is called text wrapping, or wrapping the picture according to the requirement. Okay. Now, the next is how to insert a picture from clipart. Okay. So, okay, that is done. Now, let's see what is there next. Insert a picture from file is over. Now, the next way of inserting picture is, as I told you, it is from clipart gallery. So clipart gallery is there in MS Word everywhere. In every MS Word you find there are ready-made pictures which you can insert from there according to your requirement. Okay, now next important tool is there, inserting online pictures. Okay, this I will not be able to show it live because I'm not using internet right now. So I can explain it how you can get the picture directly from internet. Okay, you can go to the objects. You first keep the cursor wherever you want to insert picture. Okay, rule is that suppose I want to insert picture in between this, so I can go to objects here, insert tab, and from there go to object, and there you can see objects, what type of objects I want to insert from file. Okay, I can get it from here. Also you can insert from file. Now if I don't want, then I can go to the option which I can use directly download from internet. Go to Google and download from internet, and uh, I can directly use it. Okay. Okay. So I can you can go to the Google. You can go to Google Chrome, open browser, and you can directly download from internet and insert it in the same manner as we have done. So now suppose now next one is okay. Now this feature has been explained in the textbook. You can have a look at it nicely. Okay, because I am using Word 2007, which does not have this feature. This feature has been taken from the very advanced and the latest software which has not yet come in our place in the market, and I have not installed it. Okay, so for that reason I am not explaining this. So you can have a look at the book. You can get help from the book itself. Okay, now next we go to the next thing what is required, the next feature, inserting shapes. Now we go to inserting shapes. Now quite often we need to insert shapes. So from where to insert shapes? So let me delete this picture. Okay, now for inserting shapes you can go to insert tab, and there you can get the icon for shapes. So different shapes are there. Whichever shape you want, you can insert it. So simple. If I want to insert this circle, I can click there and bring it on the drawing area, the area where I want to insert, and press the left mouse button and drag it diagonally. Okay. So as I click and drag diagonally, you can see the shape is drawn over here. Now this shape can be moved anywhere to anywhere. Now after inserting the shape, it is our choice. You want to keep it or you don't want to keep, or you want to draw another shape. So insert. I found another shape. Now these are the basic shapes. You can get bracket, star, no arrow sign and all. These are all lines, different types of lines with the arrowheads, double-headed arrow, single-headed arrow, curve, zigzag. No, all sorts of errors are there. And these are the basic shapes used for flowchart. Now, some of the flowchart symbols are there which we can use in our flowchart drawing. Okay, you can see decision box is there, input output, let, uh, start button is there. So there are more than that. You got some polygons are also there. The cylindrical shapes are there. No, so we have some smiley. So these are the shapes that we can insert. These are basic shapes. Now we have got arrow, block arrow shapes from where we can insert. Now these are used for organization charts, basically indicating organization or any sort of advanced levels of drawing, explaining things. Okay. Then you have got flowchart, especially the symbols used for flowchart. Here also some symbols are there which can use, and down also here. These are the specifically flowchart symbols that we can use for drawing flowcharts in our copy for doing the programming. Okay, for related to program. Now then we have got call out boxes. Call out boxes to indicate the dialogues is spoken by somebody. Suppose I want to show that, okay, so just somebody saying something, so how to insert, suppose searching a person, okay, suppose I insert this and say that, okay, this person is saying something in front of text, okay, let's do it. He's showing a bulb and if you want to say something, he's saying that, okay, so insert, shapes, and go to colored box, and then I want to draw a colored box. The tip of this colored box can be changed from this yellow pointer. Now this person, what he's saying, I can click inside, right click and say, okay, cursor is active, I think. Yeah, cursor is active. Click inside here, and then I can write, okay, bright ideas. Bright ideas for all of you. Okay, so and click outside. So now you can see as if this person is saying this, bright ideas for all of you. Okay. Now same manner you can manipulate this. You can make it smaller or bigger. Okay. So you can do, or you want to shift it, or you want to shift the colored box this side. You can do that. Okay. You want to show this arrow to this person's, indicating this person is saying. You can do that. Okay. So this is called colored box, which is inserted easily from the shapes. Now beside this we have got more shapes. You can have a look. So have a look on shapes. You can go to this clouds also there. No, clouds you can insert, and then we have got the banners and the scrolls and the star. No, ribbons. No, you can. So we can use this all shapes for writing something or in a way to make our documents look attractive. Wherever required, we can insert these shapes and use them for doing our work. Okay. Now rule is same. Click on any shape whichever you want, and then click and drag over the place. So click. Suppose I want to draw here. So bring my mouse pointer, press the left mouse button and drag it, and then drag diagonally in order to get the shape according to. Now if the shape is small, I don't want to make it bigger. So just I can make it bigger from two sides, or I can make it bigger proportionately from the corner. Directly I can proportionately I can pull it and make it bigger from the corner. Okay. So this is how the shapes are inserted. Then we will see shape style, shape fill, shape outline, shape effect, picture inside shape, shadow color, and format shape. Now we'll see all these features one by one. Now suppose let's go and insert another nice shape, and we can see how we can format the shape. Okay. Now let's insert which shape you prefer. Now let's insert. Shall we insert scroll or shall we insert star? I will insert. Okay, this shape will insert this plus sign. This is a unique shape. Now, suppose in this shape you want to work out and you want to change certain things. Look at carefully. If you want to change the line color, so after inserting, you must click off, click somewhere else to deactivate, Now to format this shape, you have to click on it. So click on the shape one time, and then you can go to format tab, and there you can see fill shape. What color you want to fill the shape. Not only color, you have got picture fill, gradient fill, texture fill, whatever things you want to fill the text with, you can do. So if I go and fill up to the texture, I can go and fill it up. So you see, as I am choosing the different gradients, different color, different designs, the shape is getting filled up. Okay. So this is how the shape is filled up automatically. Okay. So fill shape, texture. Now if I want to go for gradient, I can fill the shape with a gradient. The color which is already there is blue, and if I want to go and see more, I can click more gradient, and I can see I can create my own. So here, if I want to use one color gradient or two color, gradients are generally two colors. So here I want to create my own. I can create my own gradient according to my requirement. Suppose I want to create this gradient or little more contrasting. So just select it. And how I want effect from corner, diagonal, click on it, whichever I want, and click OK. So this gradient is applied. Okay. Now if I want to format further, I don't want a gradient, I don't want texture, I want a picture to be there inside this shape. So I can go to the gallery and click on any of the shape, the picture that I want. Suppose I want this tulip to be there, click over the picture, on the picture, and click insert. You see this shape got filled up with the picture that I have chosen, specifically the inside the shape. Okay. So we have discussed how to fill the shape with the picture, the gradient and the color. No, you can fill with the full color also. So click on it and go to format, and then from here, sorry, from home tab you can go to, sorry, double click on the shape, and you can see the, okay, format. Now this format is different and this format is different. So we click on the first format, not the second format. For second format is talking about more advanced features, advanced formats of the shape. The first one is the basic format that we are discussing right now. So now you want to change, you want to put the fixed color, just one color, just whichever color I want, I can put it from here. I want more colors, click on more colors and go to standard, and from here I can choose any color I want. So I can just apply, or I can fill up the shape with that color. Okay, so lemon color. Now let me put this. Okay, now it is not having effect, it's simply one color. Now if I want to change the outline of the shape, so instead of going here, now fill up is over. Now if you want to fill up with a pattern, you can go to this pattern. So and then you can get the textures, gradients, pictures, patterns, all from the same dialog box. I can choose any pattern I want. I want this bricks pattern, click OK. You can see a small thin bricks pattern is set in my, filled up in my shape which I have selected or inserted. Okay. Now last thing very important, the line color and the thickness. So if I want the line color to be inserted, so next is shape outline. So next, just in the format, little down you can click, you can see line format. So line, shape, outline. So what line color you want, and what is the thickness you want. So this is the way it is, the thickness of the line. So click here and you can come down to change. As you can move down, you can see how thick the line is becoming slowly. If I want this thickness for 1.5 points, just click there and I got the line thickness. Now I don't like this black color, so just I want to change the color. I can go to the same, keep the shape selected, go to the colors, and you can click more outline colors, and from where you can choose, okay, I want blue color, so just click on blue and the color is changed. Okay, so this is how you can change the color. Now beside this, we can add effect to the shape. So how to add effect? Say shadow, you want to put shadow effect to the shape. I can just click on the shape and go to shadow. Here I can, and then apply whichever shade I want. Shadow on the bottom side, diagonally left side, diagonally up on the right hand side. So, or shadow falling down directly, stretch, you can see. So, you can see the effect, how whichever shadow I am selecting, the effect is coming by itself. It can be seen on the screen. This is a soft shadow. This is a shadow which is strong one. Okay, just I want, suppose I want this shadow, I can click it there and then shadow is set. Okay. Now beside this, if I want to change the shape, I don't like this shape. I instead of this I wanted some other shape. I can go to change shape icon. Okay, it's not from insert, it's from format. Change shape icon, and then I can change the shape. I don't have to redraw it. I can simply click on any of the shape that I want, and it will have the same feature whatever I have applied. Okay, so changing the shape also is over. Now once this work of changing and things are done, you can move it anywhere you want. So without write inside this, now this text, this shape, you cannot go and write directly. So you have to add text. So click on it, right click the button and choose add text. So as you choose add text, the cursor is activated inside. So hello, you can see the text is appearing, but it is hiding in the corner. So let's put it in the middle. Now I can make it larger. See, the text has come. So click on the picture, save, sorry, click on the save, right click the button and go to edit. Now, since you have added, you can edit. When it is not added, you can add. Okay. So these are the adding of text, the formatting of shape, adding shadow, and line color, fill color, picture, all these are applied. Okay. So we have discussed about style, different styles of shapes, then filling the shape, outline changing, shape effects, we have added effects, shadow effects, picture inside shape, we have discussed, shadow colors, we have not discussed. Okay, we'll do that. Now format shapes, formatting shape we have done, front and back that I showed you to bring the shape in front. So how you can do arrange, just click there, click on the shape and go to text wrapping. This is called arranging the shape. You want to bring the shape in the front, back, put it, make it a square format, make it tight. It has all got different features, different functions, attributes for this text wrapping. Okay, so it will coincide with the text. If you say square, this picture, the shape will fit in the paragraph and the text will move all around it in the square shape. If you say tight, the text will move all around, picture will be there, shape will be there, and text will be tight enough to enclose, will be maximum closest to the shape in the document. Okay. If you say in line with text, so if you click in line with text and insert picture, the middle part of the paragraph will move up and down, means they will give a space for this picture shape in a straight line format. Those lines will be eliminated or moved down to accommodate this shape in a block format, start to end in the line. Then behind text, if a text is coming in, the picture is coming in the front, you want to put this picture as a background, this shape as a background, whatever you have done, say click at behind text. So behind text will send this shape behind the text. So text, whatever paragraph text is there, that will be appearing above this, will cover up. In front of text, if I click, it is just now what is there? It is in front of text, that means whatever text is there, it can hide, it can cover up the text which is there. Top and bottom. So this top and bottom means in top and bottom, it is almost like in line with text. Okay, so top and bottom part will be eliminated, that line will be there and picture will be exactly in the middle, shape will be in the middle. Okay, through means it will be transparent, through means it will be somewhat transparent short. So even the background, what is white background is there, the text can be seen clearly through that background. Okay, So it will be true, like a watermark type, it will appear in your document. Now, if you want to go for further editing of this text wrapping, you can go to edit, wrap points, and you can change your uh, text wrapping according to your need. Now, this text wrapping is not for the text, it is for the shape and the pictures. So remember that it is for shapes and pictures. Okay. Now, I hope it is done. Shadow color. Now we need to talk about shadow color. Now shadow is now brown color coming here. So if I want to change shadow color, click on the shape, the picture, shape that I have inserted, and then go to last option is shadow color. You can see shadow color is grayish color. Now I have to change it to some other color. And again, if I want more colors to apply as a shadow, I can go from here and change it whichever color I want. The pink I want, just click it there. Okay, so shadow color has changed. Okay, now next one, what is next? Inserting smart art. So it is smart art means to uh, show or explain some life cycles of certain things, like life cycle of butterfly in biology, or frog, or something like rain cycle, no, rain in the nature, how it takes place. Now those things I explain or indicated by smart art. Now where to, how, from where to get smart art? Insert, and then you can go to smart art directly here, and you can see the smart art graphics is ready to insert. So first let me take the mouse pointer wherever I want to insert. Just I want here. Now I can go to smart art, and I can see what type of smart art I want. The list, process, no, process of doing something, or life cycle of something. No, I want to explain some bondings of chemical reactions and things like that. I can use this hierarchy. In history, we discuss about the kings and their sons and the daughters, and prince had two children and like that. No, so it is like dynasty. You want to describe, you can use hierarchy. In an organization, in a company, the positions of the people working in company, if you want to describe, you can use hierarchy. Then you can describe about relationship. There is another uh, smart art is there for describing about the relationship of the people. You can explain and you can do. There is a matrix format of the hierarchy. There is pyramid which shows who is on the top, what is in the foremost important, then second important, the last, the base of the life. Now these things are explained by using pyramid. So these all are, and from these all are subcategories. These are the all are the main divisions, main categories, divisions of smart art. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The first one is list, second is process, third is cycle, fourth is hierarchy, then relationship, then matrix, then pyramid. Now these all are the different categories of smart art graphics, and inside each category you can see subtypes of smart arts are there, from where you can choose any one you want. Okay, just suppose I want to insert this. I got this smart art inserted, and I want to explain it. If I want to add a box or remove a box, I can do it from here. No, okay. Then I want to add a shape. What shape I want? No, if I want to add more shape, I want to insert chart in a text format. Now, whichever shape I want, this is smarter to be there, I can use it. Okay, and to format it, you can go to design or you can go to format, and format means you can go to directly manipulate these shapes individually, changing line color, fill color, text effects, and all you can do. Okay, so now smart art is also over. Now next one is inserting word art. Word art is a decorative text that we insert in our document to make it look attractive. So it is like for a captioning, a bigger, bold, attractive captioning, we use word art. Now, where to get word art from? Word art has got ready-made design. When you type the text, it will convert into graphics. Okay, so word art will convert your text into graphics. So just go to Insert tab and click there word art, and from here the word art gallery will open up. From this gallery, which type of word art you want? Suppose I want this word art. Okay, a text box appears. Now this is the text box for which you are going to type the text that you want to convert into word art. So just I'm going to write uh, okay. So click OK, and then word art has come. But this word art is same like picture or shape. It is not going to move. So in order to move it, just click on it and then go to text wrapping and bring it in the front of text or whichever side you want. Now you can move the word art. Okay. Now word art is inserted. Now you want to change it. I don't want this word art. I want something else. I can go to say design. So word art styles are there, which I want to change from here. I can choose any one. The text will remain same, but the design and style will change. Okay. Now we'll see how the shapes are changed. Now here you can go to change shape the option. The word art is selected. If I don't want to select, deselect, click outside. Select, point on the word art and click anywhere, and then change shape. Suppose I don't want the word art to be straight. I want it to be wavy type. So just go to shape and I can see a lot of shapes. So wavy shape. Okay, taper shape, arch, or polygonal shape. No, this way, slanting. Whichever way I want, I can change this word art text into stylish graphics format. Okay, just click there. Or I want this wavy and then click there. That's all. So it is applied. Now I want to change the color of this word art. I can do that. I want to apply shadow effect. I can do. I want to change this outline color. Right now there is no outline color. I want to put outline color. I can put red. Fill shape. Right now the shape is having a gradient. I want no. I don't want gradient. I want something else. So I just fill up the shape with different color. Okay. Make it smaller, bigger. Click on it. From the corner, proportionately click and drag down diagonally to make it smaller. Click and drag diagonally up to make it bigger. So this is how you can make it big or small. You want to do it from side also, but it will not be proportionately, it will be randomly changing. Okay. So resize your word art according to the need. Place it wherever you want. You want to keep in the heading, you want to keep in somewhere. Suppose you want, this is very handy for making any kind of advertisements in your document. Suppose you want to make an advertisement caption and put in a document, you can do that easily from this using this word art. Okay. So